Cash App Borrow doesn't approve users based only on employment status, but instead on account activity, transaction history, and how consistently money flows through your Cash App balance. By the end of this, you'll know whether Cash App Borrow can still work without a job, what actually affects eligibility, and the exact steps that improve your chances of getting the Borrow feature. First, understand how Cash App Borrow decides eligibility. The feature is not a traditional loan application that asks for your job or income upfront. Instead, Cash App reviews your account behavior. That includes how often you use Cash App, how money moves in and out of your account, and whether your account shows steady financial activity over time. What this means is simple. No job doesn't automatically disqualify you, but low or inactive account activity usually does. Now here's the part most people misunderstand. Even without employment, Cash App may still consider you if your account shows regular deposits. That could include gig work payments, side income, transfers from other apps, or consistent deposits from any source that looks stable. The key factor is pattern, not employer information. Next is what actually improves eligibility. Step 1 is using Cash App as a primary account instead of only sending or receiving money occasionally. Regular spending through the Cash Card or peer-to-peer transfers helps build account history. Step 2 is keeping money moving through the account over time. Cash App tends to favor accounts that show repeated inflows and outflows instead of long inactive periods. Step 3 is checking the Borrow feature inside the app directly. There is no separate application. If you qualify, it appears automatically in the banking or balance section. Here's the limitation you need to know. Even if you meet basic activity requirements, Cash App Borrow is still only available to select users. That means two people with similar activity can see different results based on internal eligibility scoring. So here's the real breakdown. You don't need a job specifically, but you do need consistent account activity that looks like ongoing income and usage. Without that, the Borrow feature is unlikely to appear. If you're trying to get this working right now, your next step is simple. Start using Cash App for regular transactions, let deposits flow through the account over time, and check the Borrow section periodically inside the app. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more clear explanations of Cash App features and money apps that don't explain their own approval systems clearly.